Oh look, Hat Boy's not open today. Let's go and see these guys. Oh look. Look at the dog, busy.
Very busy.
Hello.
Very busy.
Yeah, busy dog. Whoa! What the hell happened there? What was that for?
Where are you going?
What's up with you, man?
The rain.
What the heck is that?
What happened there? The dog.
Because the car was going so fast.
And
all the speed limit, and she don't like it.
she don't like it.
No.
She's the local police.
Yeah,
10 miles an hour,
exactly,
too fast.
Exactly. Huh? Did she?
I love it.
Maybe. Can I take my food away?
Yeah, they're taking their food. That's it. Excuse me, can I buy a ring, please? Can I have a diamond, please? Excuse me, I want a diamond. Are you going to serve me or not? I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I would like a diamond ring, please.
Is that when we gave the bone?
Honestly, this guy, he just don't want to move. He don't want to do any work. What are you paying for?
Is this the one we gave the bone to?
Look at the lazy.
Hello.
Oh, you're going to serve me. Finally.
Hello.
Finally. Somebody's going to serve. Oh, hello, big man. Sorry, did I wake you up?
Yes.
Watch out for the blood. I'll let you off. It is gold because it hasn't cut that through that easy.
Yeah, no, that's good. It's a good thing.
Yeah, he brought me a Christmas cracker ring.
Yeah, that's too small. I don't know
And maybe even
It's not gold, it's steel.
it looks like it's thick.
It's thick. Yeah. This bit here. It slides that bit underneath.
Different that one, different
Yeah.
two, for different thickness.
Why isn't it cut at that one? That one was only 55 quid.
It's the gold. It's gold. It's either plated. I don't think it is, because that was a proper jeweller's one, wasn't it?
Yeah, 55 quid.
Yeah. Now the finger's coming off. Oh, there it goes. Beautiful.
So then if you don't mind, let's go with this one.
Try and take them off now. They may come off.
I'm going to have a skinny bit on my finger there.
That was the cheap ring.
This one won't. I told you I had fat knuckles.
Good future. Awesome.
I think it's catched on the skin on the other side. Here.
She'll come off now. That's two.
That's it, we're divorced.
That's the wedding ring. Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm free of him.
Yeah, what is on? Let's wait for a few days to
Awesome.
cool down your finger, yeah?
Yeah.
Because it looks not right. Like
Liz
yeah.
Skinny.
Then,
Show me your fingers. Wow, it's got
There's
fat
30
fingers now.
years of pain.
These guys have pulled it out of the bag. Look at that.
30
5
years.
minutes.
let's wait a few days
Look how
to...
fat your finger is.
Look how fat your head is.
Ridiculous, yeah, well, that's my head. Anyhow, so I come in and seen the boys at the jewellers where we did the video before, Diamond Club,
That looks so weird.
and they just cut the missus's finger off. That solved that problem. No.
I tried one size smaller. This network slightly bigger. One plus network. It's good size. This one.
Wings, maybe resized to suit this new one. Yeah, that's tight.
These three. You meet the tomorrow Friday, Saturday.
Saturday, yeah, we fly Saturday night.
Yes.
Come see you Saturday morning?
Saturday after any time or morning.
Morning, because we go in the afternoon.
All right.
That'd be brilliant.
And then.
There we go, so that's before. No stone and all cut, as you've seen guys when he cut it with the machine. Now he's going to do the repair. The next time you see them, be on our fingers, repaired, all done by this man here. Well, by these guys in the goldsmith, yeah? And you've done the sizing, he's done all the sizing.
Size everything okay now. Friday evening,
She's happy?
90% ready, or Saturday morning, 100%.
You happy? Excellent. Been on your hand for how long? 3 years, like that?
No,
How
longer
long?
than that.
Longer?
Yeah.
Stuck?
Probably about 10 years, that last one.
Oh my God.
Which color is funny like it?
A pale blue we were going to have, weren't we?
Okay.
A blue? Like a blue?
Like that sort of colour blue.
Oh, sky blue.
This,
Yeah.
Coventry City colours.
no any problem.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
How much are these? £1 million?
I wish.
How much are these ones? These are the expensive ones.
All different price, different color, different clarity.
Look at them shining. Don't think you can have one of them, okay?
Why, are they real diamonds?
Yeah.
This.
Look at that one.
What are you trying to say? I'm not worth it.
You're worth it, but I can't afford it.
You have to get out there and sell your body.
She thinks I'm a bloody millionaire. He said he'll give you it free, no problem. I'll have to. Look at them.
Do you want I do diamond for you?
What?
I can do diamond for you.
No, I don't want diamond, do I?
Right. So we're back at the Diamond Club. We're going to go in, see these guys now. He's sleeping, look. Every time we come he's asleep. We're going to go in and see how the ring's getting on, see if it's done for the missus. She's ready. We'll go and see these guys now, see how they're doing. Good evening, you okay?
Yes, very well.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Please.
Shall I leave it on or turn it off?
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
And then I will be your rings now.
Okay. I will relax. So sit down, just chill out, relax. In the diamond shop. Good afternoon. Here he comes. Let's see, the big reveal. They're not even your rings.
Ready? Okay.
Oh my God. Look at the stone in there. Wow. See, they look like new.
This
Look at
one.
that. What the hell? Are they the same rings?
Yes.
Really?
Exactly. Yes.
You sure?
Oh my goodness.
They always say stick a diamond on it, she'll be happy. Look
Yes,
at that.
diamond.
Best night of my
Yes,
life
diamond.
tonight, yeah? Is that what you're saying?
It's sparkly, isn't it?
Wow.
Yes.
Look at the repair though, where he's chopped them and that. You
I
can't even
see
tell.
it.
You cannot tell. Who's to this? These guys?
Yes, these guys.
Can I see him?
Kaderi kaldırsana. He's next door. He's coming now.
Okay.
Could you try, please?
Look at them. They're
That's
awesome.
the oldest one.
You can't see any mark.
Guys, they're not the most expensive rings in the world, and she's had them years and years and years, but they're sentimental, aren't they? Because it's our wedding ring and things like that, engagement ring and wedding ring. But they've been stuck on her hand. I thought it was only 3 years, but she's telling me years and years and years.
Because I'm hot thing.
Yeah, they're a bit tight at the moment, but she got really hot hands at the moment, so a bit swollen.
Yeah.
But they've
Yeah.
resized them, added a little bit to them.
I will put that on first, I didn't want like that.
She has a set route of putting them on. We're going to have a quick chat with the jeweller guy who's done the work and say thank you to him. But as you can see, Diamond Club, trusted. I'm in shock. They okay, Say? Just a bit tight.
Just that first one.
Just the first one. And you normally put that on like that, do you?
Yeah, that one fit.
And the jeweller guy is in there,
That
he's
one fits
working.
fine.
This is his domain. Goldsmith, he's called.
Which one's first?
Normally that
So
one.
guys, as you can see, do loads of repairs, change stones, add stones. There's loads of stones, like gemstones here, all in the cabinets and everything. Awesome. She can't believe how nice it looks.
Yeah.
Good evening. This is the goldsmith. Awesome. Look at him working on there. Come in, yeah. We're going in, have a look. Good evening.
Hi.
Look at all these tools. My God. Shit. Is make bigger?
No English.
Making it bigger?
Küçülecek.
Making it smaller. I thought so. He's cut a piece, yeah. Awesome. Look at that. That's nice. Diamond? Really? Dave, you want to see the size of this diamond?
Kaç karat?
Look at the size of this diamond.
4 karat.
How many? 4-carat diamond. I'll chop his arm off now, yeah? And run. There's going to be a robbery. He is awesome. Let's see your ring. Oh my God. So the first one was just a little bit tighter than you thought, yeah?
Yeah, I think.
But
yeah,
it's okay.
It was that
Not
bit
cramped
there.
down on your hand.
No.
Unbelievable. I'm going to turn this off now so I can talk to you. But these guys,
Kalkmak istiyorsa kadın tamam.
amazing. I'll finish this and I'll come back to you. I'm going to... So, yeah. You've seen the first video where we came in, we seen them, we introduced ourselves for Hayley for her wedding rings. We then came in, we had a look round, got to know the guys. First time we met them then, bear in mind. We met Joanne and her husband in the other side as well with the silver department. And then I came up and said to this man here that my wife's rings were really tight on her finger. They cut them off, which you'll see in the video prior to this, what we're doing now. And then they resized them. He also added a stone because we'd lost the stone inside it. So they did all the work, jewellery-wise, goldsmith guy over here, as you've just seen. You've seen the finished article. I'm going to wrap it up now. Diamond Club. Hisaronu. I'll put a link down the bottom for you to come and see. This man.
Yes.
Amazing, guys. Brilliant work. Thank you. Thank you so much. She's loving life. I think maybe I got a new wife there. Is this? I owe you lots of money now. Right.